You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is a equals -1/35. Let's solve it step by step. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 6/35 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the a. Divide both sides by -6. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is a equals -1/35.